The exercises in the intermediate level have been designed for the person who desires more of a dynamic workout in the H2X. They are primarily performed in standing or walking positions. Since these exercises are holistic in nature, they can be used for both flexibility and strengthening. We will be separating these exercises into upper body and lower body. Let's get started. To begin, warm up by walking forward, backwards, and sideways for 5 minutes. It's important to warm up and get the blood flowing to your muscles. This will help prevent injury and soreness. Intermediate upper body exercises. You will want to perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions each for the upper body exercises. The following 2 exercises utilize flotation dumbbells. Walking lunges with flies. Stand, holding bells in front of your body at chest level with your arms straight. Lunge forward with one leg while opening arms out to sides. Continue opening and closing your arms while doing walking lunges forward. When you reach the end of your spa, turn around and continue in the other direction. Boxing. This is a fun exercise that's great for your upper body. While walking forward, perform boxing punches alternating your right arm and left arm. This is a great chance for you to channel your inner Rocky Balboa. The following 2 exercises utilize the aquatic exercise system rowing equipment. Rowing. It's time to have a seat again. Grab your rowing handles and begin rowing. Use both of your arms equally. Remember to breathe and keep your tummy tucked in. Chest press. Hold both rowing handles at chest level. In staggered standing position while facing seats, hold both rowing handles at chest level. Press forward on the handles in a chest press motion. Make sure you are using both of your arms equally. The following 3 exercises utilize exercise tubing. Single arm row. Stand in a lunge position. Hold the handles of the exercise tubing at chest level with your palms facing downward. Pull one arm back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Return to starting position and repeat with your other arm. Shoulder internal rotation. Time to take a seat again. Grab the handles of the exercise tubing with the arm closest to the tubing. Start with your thumb up, elbow bent to 90 degrees, and your forearm away from your body. Pull your arm across the body, keeping your arm bent. Return to starting position and repeat this exercise. In order to work your other arm, you will need to take a seat on the opposite side of the spa. Shoulder external rotation. For this exercise, you are going to grab the handle of the exercise tubing with the arm that is furthest from the tubing. You will start this exercise exactly like the shoulder internal rotation exercise. Thumb up, elbow bent to 90 degrees, and forearm away from your body. Keep your elbow bent to 90 degrees. Lead with your hand and pull your arm away from your body. Return to starting position and repeat this exercise. In order to work your other arm, you will need to take a seat on the opposite side of the spa. Intermediate lower body exercises. You will want to perform 3 to 4 minutes of each walking exercise moving in both forward and backward directions. You can use fins on your arms and legs for added resistance as well as the ExerSwim propulsion system for an increased challenge. High knee walking. This exercise is a basic march with your hip and knee lifted to a 90-degree angle. Keep your chin up, chest lifted, and shoulders back. This is a great opportunity to work on your posture. High heel walking. Walk forward, lifting your heel toward your buttocks. Keep your thighs vertical. Alternate legs and remember to keep your tummy tucked in to protect your back muscles. Straight leg walking. Step forward with your right leg, then kick your left leg forward, keeping your left knee straight. Alternate legs and keep moving forward. The following exercise utilizes exercise tubing. Core twist. Stand in a squatted position. Grasp tubing handle with both hands. Keep your arms at chest level and your elbows straight. Rotate your body to one side, keeping your spine straight and your arms in line with your chest. Then rotate in the opposite direction. Return to the starting position and repeat this exercise. Running forward, backward. Run forward and backward with your knees high. Make sure your arms and legs are moving opposite of each other. Keep your chin up, back straight, and tummy tucked in. You have just finished the intermediate portion of this video, and now it's time to cool down. Take the next 5 minutes and walk forward, backwards, and sideways. Congratulations! You did it!